All right, it's finally coming. The rewards that I've talked about for a while. I just wasn't sure how to do it, but I think I've got my finger on it now. So you will earn points, and I'll tell you in a minute how you'll earn points. But what you can do with those points is you're going to get tickets. For every 5 points that you earn, you'll get a ticket. And then you can cash your ticket in immediately, or you can save them for bigger prizes. For one ticket, you can choose a small prize from my top drawer, which will be things like just a little piece of candy or an eraser, something like that. For 3 tickets, you earn a medium prize from my middle drawer. And one of those prizes, let me just say right now, from now on, you may not listen to music unless you earn 3 tickets. If you earn 3 tickets and cash them in, then you may start listening to music. I know some of you starting to turn things off, so as far as doing work, and I want you to really concentrate. So if you can prove that you're willing to do some work then and earn 3 tickets and save those tickets, one of the prizes in my medium prize drawer is a certificate to listen to music. And then you don't have to earn that again. You can just listen to music from now till the end of the year. So starting today, though, you may not listen to music unless you've earned the right to do so. 5 tickets will earn you a large prize from my bottom drawer. That might be things like a large candy bar or a full-size candy bar, and I'll have to see what else I can come up with. But those will be bigger rewards. Obviously, you'll have to do a lot more work to earn them. And then last, everybody earning at least 30 points by the end of the year will get invited to my rewards party. So hopefully there will be a lot more than 3 people invited to this rewards party. I counted out, and if you work hard, you should be able to earn 30 points. If you don't work hard, you won't earn 30 points. But you only have a couple weeks left of school. All right, so here's how you will earn those points. You will get 1 point for earning a B on a quiz or test from your math class. However, you must show Mrs. Pierce or Miss Blindball the quiz or test within a week. Also, you may show Mrs. Pierce or Miss Blindball any math work in which you wrote yourself a note to remind yourself to ask us a specific question, especially if you're working on homework or you get back at quiz or test and you don't understand what you did wrong. If you can show us where you wrote yourself a note so that you would remember to ask us, we will give you a point for that. 2 points for earning an A on a quiz or test, and again, you must show us within a week. If you earn a math badge in MobyMax, which you can work on anytime, you will earn 2 points. If you earn a pass to Competition Friday, so remember you always have to earn the right to come to a Competition Friday. I'm hoping to have 2 of them by the end of the year. We'll just kind of have to see what activities are scheduled between now and the end of the year. If you come to a Competition Friday and you get second place, you'll also get 2 points. And every page that you completed from the end of year pre-assessment evaluation, you will earn 2 points. Remember, all parts must be done completely without us telling you what to do, so you need to be able to follow directions in order for you to get 2 points. If you turn it in or you haven't followed directions, we'll give you one more chance to fix it, but then you'll only get 1 point. And then 5 points if you win Competition Friday and get at least an 80% on the post-assessment. So hopefully if you do all the stuff that I want you to do on the evaluation, you will end up getting an 80% in the post-assessment. And that's pretty much it. Now the last thing though is pretty important here, that me or Mrs. Lineball have the right to either give or take away points. So we could just kind of hand you out points for a ticket just because we feel like it. I am posting a link to this on Schoology, so if you forget what I just said, you can look on there. And so hopefully, let's not end, the year's not over. We have till June 12th, and let's see how many points you can earn.